Good afternoon. Hope you're all having a lovely Sunday. Today I'm going to fit my alternator with this brand new Chrome bracket I got on Amazon. And to make life easier, I'm going to remove everything from the front of the car. Just a quick recap on my application. Small Block Chevy 350, long water pump. Okay, parts required. Brand new bracket with spacers and bolts, one alternator, and instructions, which I'm actually going to read this time. Right, what we got? Complete kit. For 1969 to 1986, Small Block Chevy with long water pump includes all the hardware you need. So far so good. I have my little ratchet, little extension, and all my sockets that I'm going to need. So straight away I can envisage a problem. I think my fuel pipe, the hard pipe here, I think that's going to get in the way. But that's okay, I can cut the metal part down about there and just add a section of flexible fuel hose. We'll see, we'll jump off that bridge when we come to it. Right, oh, where's my instructions? Right, step 1, bolt lower bracket to water pump using short 1-inch bolts. Okay. Okay. Next, install long bolt, 6-inch, by inserting it through the hole in the lower bracket, through the lower alternator bolt hole, through the long spacer, and thread into the engine. Now I already have a spacer on this, so I guess I'll be taking that one out. Okay, that's that removed. So let's see, I've forgotten what it said. Long 6-inch bolt through the hole, lower bracket, through the lower alternator bolt hole, through the long spacer. Right. So, long bolt, long spacer. Let's see. See what I mean? We're hitting that already. Well, the bracket is the right way around, but it certainly looks like it's sloping in a bit. So what I'll do is I'll loosen these two off, and hopefully it will take care of the space issue. And then once it's in, I can tighten these back up again. Okay, let's try again. So, big bolt through there, through the spacer at the back, and into the engine. Okay, so that's working. We'll see. If this actually sits up higher, then I won't have to do anything with the hose, but at the moment it's hitting the hose. Let's tighten this up and see. screwing these mega tight just now because I still want to be able to rotate that. Next, install short 1-inch bolt through upper bracket into water pump. If needed, use a shorter 0.5-inch spacer, but do not tighten. Okay. Right, we have a problem. I mean, that will line up, however, let me show you what's going on at the back. You see that? See that there? I'd love to know where they think that's supposed to go. I'll double check that. I might have to just cut that off, but you really shouldn't have to. Yeah, there's nowhere for that to go. Alright, I think I figured it out. Yeah, I need to use the spacer on this side so that this plate is actually out there, and then that hole, I don't think you actually screw that in. I think it just goes over that bolt, the intake manifold bolt. So let me try that. Right, let's try that again. So this will go on this side of it. That makes more sense because that's threaded. And I just need the spacer in there. So that's a 1-inch spacer through there. Oh, that's not a very big bolt. We'll try. Yeah, okay, that works. See, I make the mistakes so you guys don't have to, right? Okay, so that will allow that sort of tensioning. Right, let's see what's next. Use the medium length bolt through the upper bracket, through the medium spacer, down to the manifold bolt hole, but do not tighten. Oh right, so I do have to take out that bolt. I'd rather not do that, to be honest. Oh well. So I'm guessing it's this bolt was down there. Right, so I do need to take that. I need to take that intake manifold bolt out. That sucks. Okay, I really didn't want to take this bolt out because that's right next to the water jacket now. But, well, I'll put that on tight. You probably can't even see that. Let me move you around here. So this is the one. This is the one I'm taking out, and I'll be replacing it with the bolt that they supplied. Okay, so that's that one out. Right, so now I can put in that spacer, which will go there. Bolt through the top, which I've lost already. There he is. Okay, so that's grounding out already. I don't want to crack my head, so I will put a couple of washers in that. Take it back out again. Grab some washers. Right, so I've added a couple of washers to that bolt. So now I'm supposed to find a belt and place the belt on. This belt is the one I had, but it's far too short, I know that. So let me search through my bucket of belts. Right, if I can't find one in here, I'm going to have to go to Canadian Tire. I need to go to Canadian Tire anyway to get cleaner for the fuel tank. Okay, so that's too short, wrong, too short, wrong. They're all wrong. These are all grooved ones, come on. I need a V-belt. Seriously, they're all grooved. Grooved. Ooh, got a vacuum pipe, nice. Okay, looks like I'm going to the shops. Back soon. I have returned. Now, before I went to Canadian Tire, I knew that it would be an embryo in the parts department, so I figured I would measure what I've got, or what I require, and this is how I did it. "44 inches. 44 inches outside diameter is the minimum I require. That is as far back as it goes till it hits the fuel pipe at the back. So I didn't want anything less than 44. So I figured I would go for 45 inches. So that's what I got. 45. And then I should be able to lever that back and tighten it up. Yep, that'll work. Now, there's no adjuster in this bracket, so I'll just need to use a levering device and then tighten everything up. Big lever in there. Should do it. I don't want it mega tight. If you do it too tight, when things heat up, they generally expand a little bit and stretch your belt. So that should be fine. So, and also, I don't know what's going to happen when I tighten all the other bolts. Let's find out. And I still have the one holding the inlet manifold in. Seems good to me. So all in all, pretty good kit actually. Has all the parts except one part that you won't get is this little bolt here for adjusting. It doesn't come with that, and it says it doesn't come with that. It says use alternator bolt. It's kind of a cheap out. So that is a nut and bolt with a spring washer at the back. And as I say, it doesn't come with a tensioner, but it's no big deal. So I suppose I should wire it up and test it out. Right, I'm not going to wire it up, but I am going to fire it up, just to make sure that the belt doesn't fly off. if there's enough gas. It's pretty good to me. I think we're out of fuel. Damn. Oh well, that's us for today, I guess. So I will provide a link again to that bracket I got. I think it was actually like $43 Canadian, so even cheaper if you're in the States. Well worth it, all the parts are there except that one nut and bolt for the alternator tensioner thing. But apart from that, brilliant. All fits, all looks nice, all feels strong. So, nice quick video for today. I've got a lot to do tomorrow. I might even start tonight, but this is all you're getting for today, because I mean that way. Anyway, remember to subscribe, hit the like, share, bell. See you tomorrow.